Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday day off for me, duty si Liza. So come with me and spend my day off. It's currently 10:55. Padulong ko og simbahan kay feeling na ko wala na ko simba-simba in a very long time. Dalahatod ni Liza sa work. So update lang ko as I go along my day. So let's go, guys. So, naka-parking na ko, guys. Medyo layo ako na parkingan kay tungod. We have only two Roman Catholic churches here in Dubai, being a majorly Muslim country. So, I've arrived 45 minutes earlier than the scheduled mass timing. So, I was able to park, but it's still a bit far from the church itself. So, let's go! So, March na, guys, no? Pero medyo init pa. Ay, medyo init na. Dili na siya winter. So, maguba akong hair before magsugod ang misa. Tanam, padulong pa sa church. Okay po ning layo ta makapark, oy. Kaya at least I'm gonna get my steps in. Because if I park too close to the church po, I won't get time to walk and exercise. So, it's a good thing na my parking space is a bit far. And we're here, guys, St. Mary's Catholic Church. Mangihis ako, guys, kay dugay pa ang misa. Oh my God, naglinya na sila dito, guys, sa gawas. Nanay-linya, laban na ako. Yan ako sa simbahan, pero yan ako sa hall, kaya puno na ang church main. I'll show you. See, walay altar. Ano na ang misa, guys. So, mag-check ta sa baker if na gusto nga cheese bun. Kadali lang. Okay. Too many people, guys. Too many people. Kain sila, guys, sa bread. Bread, guys. Kabalik pa ko sa car, guys. After ani kay madto ko sa among old na building kay kaon ako ang namali og deliver na dish rack sa among old address. Kaya nag-order me from Loon. Onya, nakalimot ni change sa address. So, while I'm here in downtown, I'll go by our old flat and pick up the dish rack. Nice street food. It smells so good, but I don't have cash. Oh my God, it's so traffic going out of the parking. So, I might grab a bite first before I head out. I'm back in the car. Is my English right? Anyway, I'm hungry, so let's grab a bite before we go. And I wait for the car to cool also, so hopefully it holds up. Okay, oh, it didn't hold up. So this is the best way for me to set up my phone. So I'll show you guys what I got. First things first is this one. It's ham and cheese. It's not sausage. See, ham and cheese, like muffin bread. Good thing we still had the contact for the ano ba tawagan na? Housekeeper. He told us like he left it at the reception, so we can just take it from there. Before I go there, I'm gonna have this, just so there'll be time for the cars to all finish emptying. And the other bread I got is this one. This is called a cheese bun. So inside, it's cheese. This one. I don't know what cheese they use, but I think it's a white type of cheese. So this is my final bread before I go. Okay, nakakaon ako. I'm ready to conquer the world. Let's go to Alkesis. We're here, guys! Oh my god! It brings back memories. So, kuan sa nako ang dish rack. Who knew I'd be back here in less than a year? Char. This is she. This is her. Ano ko dali guys, pero walay parcel. So, I'm confused. Unsa nga reception niyang pasabot? There's no parcel here anywhere. No many reception, but nothing is there. So, it was kept here below this pala guys. Oops. This is the dish rack. So dish rack parcel success. So there was a slight misunderstanding. I was expecting it to be on the table, but brother just put it underneath the table, so I had to go inside and see. I didn't feel right to just go inside, so I just confirmed with him first, and it was there. And it's now safely in the truck, in the car, so we can go home now. I finally arrived at our flat, so let's unload the items and go back home. This is me and my errands today. I'm home, so first order of business is lunch. So my lunch today is leftover. So we have leftover kinamatisang manok. So it's essentially chicken cooked with lots of tomatoes, and I'm planning to have Greek yogurt, strawberry flavor, with real strawberries because this was on sale. Here's lunch, and I'll watch it with some Netflix. Already 6 o'clock and karon pa ko nag-finish akong laundry. Kilig pa ko ni Wendy fan o ni Sangya. Actually guys, sakit ako ang wrist, but there's no choice but to do the household chores, or else who'll do it for you, right? So, let's be a man. The second load, the white and light colored laundry, guys. Look at that. So yummy. I forgot to update, but I just spent the rest of the afternoon watching First Frost, so now I'm at episode 11. I stopped in the middle of it because now I have to go and meet Loisa at the metro station, and then we'll do grocery shopping before I end my day. We're going home. Hi guys, karon pa may nakabalik, 11:30 na. I forgot to take a video of us at the grocery, but we just finished. This is our grocery bags. Nanami sa flat, 11:30 na. Mag-arrange pa may grocery. Laban lang. Ikan pag-duty si Liza. Hi. Anyway, mauna to guys. Bye. Good night sa inyong kanay.